Hello, my name is Ramadhani. Today I will gonna explain about how the sound is produced and how birthday has sound and the example. When you are speak, you are making sound by using different parts of your mouth, throat, and sometimes your nose. It is a bit like playing a musical instrument, but instead of key or string, you are using your lips, tongue, teeth, and vocal cords. And how the sound is produced in phonetic and in phonology in simple terms. Um, Firstly is in phonetics. Phonetic is like the science of sound. It studies how sounds are made in your mouth, throat, and nose. When you speak, you make sound by moving your throat, your mouth, and sometimes your nose too. There are different parts of your mouth that you use to make different sounds, like your lips, tongue, teeth, and throat. For the example, when you say the letter P, you use your lips to stop the airflow and then release it suddenly. Its sound is a language is made in specific way, and phonetic help us understand exactly how we make this sound. And the second is phonology. Phonology is like patterns and rule of sound in language is not just about how sound are made, but also how they are organized and used in particular language. Language have their own set of sound, and this sound uh, can change depending on their position in a word or sentence, or because of the sound around them. For instance, in English, the th sound in the top is different from the th sound in the top. Phonology helps us understand why this change happen and the rules govern them. And the second is here how Teha the sound is produced. Mm. First is voice Tehassan, as in this, air flows continuously from the lungs, the vocal cords vibrate cancelly, the tongue is placed between the teeth and like touching the upper teeth like th, th, th. And for the example, this and thing, this and thing. Like, okay, thanks, thank you.